Section 129 of Companies Act 2013. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing an important compounding order passed by RD Chennai under 441 of Companies Act. This case highlights how even a seemingly small accounting classification error in financial statements can lead to violation of Section 129 and result in monetary penalties on directors and KMP. The company, along with its MD, CFO, and two full-time directors, filed an application before RD seeking compounding offence under Section 129, subsection 1, read with Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. This application was filed under 441, which allows certain offences under Companies Act to be compounded by competent authority. So, what does Section 129, subsection 1 require? It provides the financial statements of the company shall give a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company, comply with accounting standards notified under Section 133, and be prepared in the form prescribed under Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. In a simple words, the financial statements must accurately reflect the company's financial position and transactions. We'll see here what is the violation. During the inquiry conducted by the ROC Chennai under 206 subsection 4, it was observed that financial statement for the financial 15-16, an amount received from Phoenix, which was a customer entity, had been disclosed as unsecured loan under long-term borrowings. So amount should have been classified as an advance from customers. So because of this incorrect classification, the nature of transaction was not properly disclosed. Financial statements did not present true and fair view. The company violated 129 subsection 1, read with Schedule 3. So why is proper classification important? Many companies believe that if the amount remains unchanged, classification errors are minor. Regulator takes a different view. Classification affects financial analysis, borrowing position, liquidity assessment, stakeholder decision making. Wrong disclosures can influence decision of investors, creditors, and regulators. Section 129, subsection 7 prescribes penalties for contravention of Section 129. Liability may extend to MD, all-time director, CFO, and any other officer entrusted with the responsibility. In their absence, all the directors. So thus, the directors cannot escape the liability by claiming that accounting matters are handled by exclusively by financial department. No. Application for compounding. Company filed JNL1 seeking compounding of offence. ROC reported that this was the first offence committed by the company and no prosecution had been launched. ROC had no objection for compounding of the offence. Arguments made before RD. Applicants admitted the violation. They submitted that the default was not intentional. There was no malified intention and error was technical and procedural in nature. Violation occurred inadvertently. And they requested RD to take a lenient view. But RD imposed the following compounding fee or imposed on the company, that is this is compounding fee on MD 1 lakh, CFO 1 lakh, and on whole-time director 1 lakh, another whole-time director 1 lakh, so total 4 lakh. So this demonstrates the liability can be imposed individually on each responsible officer. This is again further directed. So file the company must inform the ROC within 7 days regarding compounding of the offence and INC 28 filing within 30 days. So here the key lesson is classification is a matters. True and fair view is paramount. Directors are personally liable. Schedule 3 compliance is a critical. Conduct internal financial statements review. These are all the lessons in this order. So verify classification of loans and advances. Review customer advances separately. check compliance with Schedule 3 disclosures requirements, conduct legal and secretarial review before the board approval. So maintain proper documentation supporting classification. So thank you for watching. If you found this analysis useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We have two channels, RR Corporates and other channel, RR Legal Talks. Thank you.